Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing to Laravel 10 React tutorial use of state. First of all, this my gem server already started Apache and MySQL. Let's run. This my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's run localhost PSP my admin successfully working good. This my gem server inside htdoc folder inside Laravel 10 React. This project name already successfully open. This my Sublime text editor. This project, let's click this cmd open cmd. Let's run PSP artisan server and enter. Successfully working this PSP artisan server. Let's new cmd open this cmd npm run dev cmd npm run dev and enter. Successfully working this two command prompt. These two successfully working. Let's URL this URL, copy this URL and browser paste here. This wait, this server start successfully. This Laravel latest version and PSP 8.1.2. this good working. Let's route open. Inside this web.php open this file. This control already created. Let's check this applied controller. This set inside this, copy this controller name inside this new route create. This new route create route get name is a create this route state of use of state. This new route create and this controller use already created this controller class and this again this copy and close this and paste here underscore add. Copy this and controller open this controller inside this new function create public function and paste here. Let's echo hello die. Let's save this URL, copy this URL use of state, copy and slash add. The successfully hello is a working is a good. It's working is a good. Let's same name is a copy and paste here. This new file create. This file name is a users of state. This new file create, copy this name resource inside this JS file, inside this page, inside this applied this folder create this folder name applied, inside this new file create new file dot jsx and enter. Successfully create this blank file. Let's successfully import this React component from React and this close this start and close. Let's save file render create return div S1 close and S1 start this HTML tag S1 and close. This use of this title add, this copy this same name is paste here. This title is paste. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully this title is available. Let's good working this title. Let's state otherwise p tag, create p tag, close this p tag, copy paste. First of all this name is mobile number mobile number skill and remove this last remove. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available name is mobile number skill. Let's add this state is equal to the start Laravel, name is error solution code. This is my age is 28. Mobile is demo mobile is any mobile add. This mobile add the skills, this two skill available, React, Vue, Laravel, PHP, all skill available. Let's save file and this copy this name inside this include this first of all this name, copy this state and paste here. Second this name. Let's save file. This copy again, this copy same, copy and as is paste here and this name is a as. Copy and paste mobile. Copy and paste this skill. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully available error solution code 28. This mobile number, this is a not good. React, Vue, Laravel and PHP, this is a not good. Let's dot join add. Let's save file and refresh. This successfully working good. Vue, Laravel and last add this p tag, this add and close. Website. This tag dollar this state dot website. Copy the same name is a copy and this close and website. This website is a error solution code, this error solution.com. Let's paste and save. Let's run this. Successfully available this website. Good working this all. Successfully working. First of all this route, create this new route inside this already controller create, this applet inside this new component create, and this data is a show. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This video like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.